Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix black screen on Netflix. If you're trying to play a content on your Netflix and all you see is a black screen appearing on your display, then follow the steps in order to solve the issue. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're using your Google Chrome, then the first thing to do is to update your Google Chrome web browser. Simply open up your Google Chrome and click on the three dots at the top right hand corner. Select Help option and click on About Google Chrome in the expanded pop-up. Now wait until Google Chrome automatically checks for new updates. If an update is available, click Relaunch and update your Google Chrome web browser. Once you are done updating, open up a new tab and go to www.netflix.com and log into your account if necessary in order to fix the issue. Once you're logged in, go ahead and select a content you'd like to play and see if that fixes the issue. Sometimes updating your web browser might do wonders whenever you are going through this issue. Another thing you can do is to simply contact Netflix customer service. Go to the top right hand corner and mouse over to your profile icon. Now click on Help Center from the expanded menu. You can simply give them a call by clicking on the Call Us button at the bottom right, or you can also start a live chat by clicking on Start Live Chat and go ahead and explain your problem. That was how you can easily solve Netflix black screen issue whenever you are trying to load a content on Netflix. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.